I'm going to be sharing my top 5 recommendations from the drugstore mascaras which are going to work really well if you have got sparse Asian lashes like mine. So the first mascara I'm going to talk about is the Etude House Curl Fix Mascara. This is one of the most popular mascara in Korean beauty. Now the shade I have got is brown. It is a popular mascara for those who are looking for long lasting curled lashes but with a natural look. Now the brown shade is very much perfect for the softer, more natural appearance. The formula of this mascara is also smudge proof and waterproof. Now it becomes a little hard for me to remove this mascara, but at the end of the day it is really smudge free and flake free. So this mascara is going to ensure that your lashes are going to get curl throughout the day, even in the humid conditions. Okay, next up I have the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, but this is the version Cosmic Black. Even though they say it's the limited edition, but I have seen this mascara for quite long in the market. Now I have picked the waterproof version. This mascara is also going to give you good length and volume because the mascara wand is specifically designed in a very flexible way. It's going to reach every lash from your root to tip. So it ensures that you can apply multiple coats and layers of this mascara and it's not going to get clumpy. Despite its long lasting wear, you can easily remove this mascara with a tiny amount of makeup remover. Next up, I have one of my cult favorite. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. Now this mascara comes in a very classic wand shape. The formula is kind of a little wet. This mascara is really ideal for people who are looking for a long lasting finish. At the same time, the intensity of the pigment of this mascara is like really deep, so it's gonna give you a quite intense effect. And you can see the slim precision brush is really good for those tiniest lashes. The longevity of this mascara is also really great. It claims to give you a 16-hour wear without smudging or flaking. This is the only mascara in my list which is not drugstore, and I apologize for that, but this is one of the great mascaras which I have used over the years, and I have gone through tubes and tubes of this mascara. This is one of my most popular mascaras in my list. Next up is the L'Oreal Voluminous Panorama Mascara. Now you guys have seen this mascara in my Nykaa makeup haul. Now the wand of this mascara is similar to the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, but this mascara gives me this sort of like a fan out effect as you can see in the clip. This mascara is also smudge resistant, but it does flake tiny bit throughout the day. Also easy to remove, which is going to make it really practical for everyday use. Now this one again goes on the top of my list when it comes to drugstore mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I have the waterproof version, and the wand of this mascara has this kind of like a curve to that, which is really easy to create that full fan effect on your lashes. Now this unique wand has 10 layers of bristles which is going to grab your lashes from root to tip. One of my favorite mascaras from all time is this one. It's gonna capture every lash from inner to outer corner, which makes a really good choice for small eyes and sparse lashes like mine. Now this wand actually separates and defines the lashes in a really beautiful way, which I enjoy. Similar to the other ones, you can apply multiple coats of this mascara without it getting clumped. And this mascara comes in both versions, washable and waterproof. I always pick the waterproof version because I feel the formula has much grip to that and it gives me the sensational lashes throughout the day. To be honest, I have slept wearing this mascara some couple of times, which you should never do. And I have found this mascara to be really flake free. So these are my top 5 mascara recommendations for sparse Asian lashes. I would love to hear it from you guys if you have some recommendations for me to try. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big good like. It really helps with my channel. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are into hooded eyes makeup. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.